All right, I'm trying on a name, Tanis Coralee. Yeah, it's a part of my ruminating about surnames. Why don't I wear a name tag but it says name try on because I don't want to like fool my brain into thinking it's like the real thing because I'm trying it on. All right, so I'm Tanis, she, her, hers of Seattle, trying on a last name of Leto, and I'm gonna go through my car and the emergency kit in the glove compartment and see if there's anything I need to replace, which there should be because some of the stuff in here is a bit old. So here is the emergency kit, and I got some stuff. Not all of it needs to be replaced. I'm gonna guess it's just, so let's take a look here. 2021, this expired, so if I want 100 calorie snacks, that needs to be replaced. It's expired 2022, the gumbo. 2022, so that's a stew, beef and barley stew. The emergency supplies, like blankets and stuff, don't need to be replaced. All right, chicken noodle soup was 2022, so that I need to replace. TikTok, oh my gosh, look how horrible that looks. Does it have an expiration? Wow, this expired 2019. Tic Tac gum. I don't chew gum anymore. So possibly no. 2021, got some meat. There's tuna. There's tuna light and water, lemon pepper, buffalo style, more lemon pepper. And then, let's see, peanut butter, RX peanut butter. Let's see when that expired, 2019. Man, would I die on that stuff? I don't want to find out. All right, so a few cans of soup items, 100 calorie snacks, meat of some sort, meat protein, and peanut butter. So that's one. And the other one from this Tanis Leto. Let's just hop in the car. Okay, glove compartment stuff. The high chew I could probably throw out. The dried mango. Dried mango. I don't know if I'll replace that. This was just like on a whim. I brought this in here. I might just toss it. Although it looks perfectly fine. I think the expiration date was last year, 2024. My glove compartment stuff tends to be a little bit better. Fig bar. I've eaten these past their expiration date. 2024, end of the year. So I gotta get a fig bar or something. I used to keep candy in here. And then the high chew I'm gonna replace. Does it have an expiration date? No. I've been really good. I typically pack stuff in like my backpack or something. So I haven't, for food or supplies, so I have actually done abnormally well. So that's what I need to replace. There we go. Oh, and how long I'm going to give and today is Monday, 13 October 2025. And I give myself a tentative deadline of a month to get it done. There we go. And I'll show you guys when I get stuff. Or I intend to. How about that?